Be careful. There is spring of this river, and this is the old watermill. Let's look inside. Hey man, what are you doing here? I imagine how the people was smaller than us, because look at that. Go here. Yeah.
Go on the next side.
What?
Walk on the next side.
It's a little bit wetter today, so the fog is going for the water. What's that? Look at that, the stairs.
Jungle.
Let's explore that.
So 1, 2, 4 water miles.
Look at that water.
Is that mean or not? It looks like.
It is. It is.
Yeah,
Oh my
mint.
god! Let's grab it. Yeah. Oh my god.
Water mint everywhere. Get me.
We have the challenge to swim in the water here, but it's so cold. You can't imagine how cold it is.
I'm measuring the temperature.
Yeah.
Just now. Now it's drop on 16 degrees,
It's going down.
15, from 35 to 14.
Fuck.
I think it's something 10, 9.
I think 10 is possible. Okay, we can
10,
say
10, 10.
10. We can say 10. Okay.
Hey,
10 degrees.
thank you for watching.
Yeah. Bye.